I wish to know myself in source. I wish to know the source of all things in some way that is applicable and real. I wish to realize, know, who and what I am in truth. It can be so. It is possible for me to know the source of all things in some fashion. It is possible for me to realize myself in a higher way than I have known. It is possible for me to be released from this pain and this belief in separation that I have indeed learned through, but perhaps may be done with. I am allowed to know more. It is permissible. It can be so. It will be so. It is.